Hello guys, I'm Trust Stanley and this is TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to forward a message or a picture or a media to multiple contacts on your Signal app. So if you want to forward a message to multiple contacts, this is just how to do it on your Signal app. Now go ahead and open your Signal application wherever you have it located on your device. Now you notice this camera icon, click on it. So I'm going to take a picture of me, and there you go. And then I'm going to forward this to multiple contacts. Now all you need to do is just to press this forward icon, and then you are going to see multiple contacts. So go ahead and select multiple contacts that you want to send these images to. So this can only be sent to contacts that already have Signal on their app. So go ahead and select as many as you want, but I'm only going to select this account because this too is my own account and this is my brother's account. So for your case, you can go ahead and select as many as you like. So once you are done, go ahead and click on forward. Now you can notice the message has been forwarded at the same time. There you go, that's the message, and this is also the message. So that is how to forward messages to multiple contacts on your Signal app. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please make sure you stay subscribed and make sure you check out more video that's going to be coming in. Peace.